So we are here today. That is last day before your exam starts. To wish you all the best for your exam as well as for your future life. The many of you, I think, in this institution for a long time. How many of you joined in nursery? Can you raise your hand? Join in nursery class. Yes, there are many. So you have already spent, I think, 15 years in the same institution. Those who have joined in nursery, you just started, talking, started walking, you joined at the age of 3 or 4 years. You joined faculty. And you have been here for last 15 years. I think it's a long time. It's a long association. So we have been here together. So you are growing academically, physically, mentally. So now the time has come. Now you have to go for the future studies. After a couple of months, you are going to join different prestigious institution for your higher studies. And I am sure, I am hopeful, all of you will do well in your forthcoming examination, and also you will be doing well in your life. Because the students, those who have passed from faculty, all facultians, they are already well established. They are already serving across the globe, all over the world, in the different parts. So they are doing excellent, they are doing very good, and obviously you will be also doing very well. You will be established in your life in different professions. Okay? So wish you all the best for your life, for your examination, for everything. And I am sure you will be doing well. And please keep touch with the school, okay, in future. So all the best. May God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I just want to wish you all the best for your exam and for your future life. Love you all. Bless you all.
Nice to see you all here, especially the girls with their beautiful attires. Yes, and you look more beautiful in your traditional dresses. Anyway, all the best to you for your future and for your coming exams. That's all.
Okay, all the best for your forthcoming exam, as well as all the best for your life. Keep good health. Most important, keep good health. And hope to see you or you shine in the future. Thank you.
Best of luck for your exam, and I pray to God for your bright future. Thank you.
And wish you all the best in your life and exam.
You all are looking fabulous. All the best for your examination. It was great time teaching you all. We all were like family, and I hope we'll meet again. We all will miss you. God bless you.
Girls are looking so beautiful and the boys are looking so handsome. All the best for your exam. Make your parents proud, make us proud, and make our school proud. All the best. Thank you.
Nice to see you all, looking gorgeous, girls especially, and let our dream come true. May you succeed in life. All the best for your future and for your forthcoming exam. Thank you.
I have spent just 3 months with all of you. Had a tough time with the commerce people, had a lovely time with the arts people. So, but then I'll always miss you all. It was a nice experience with you. Thank you.
As you often call me Dom dear sir, don't want to give any Dom. All the very best for your exam and take care. Thank you.
But while saying that, don't lose track of the fact that success is 99% luck, just 1% luck. Wish you all the best in life. Just keep up the name of the institution. Be good individuals before becoming a successful individual. That is equally important. And once again, wish you all the best. Thank you.
What to say? Everybody has said everything. Just follow their words, keep their words in mind, and yes, gonna miss you all, because as an individual I have grown with you people, and how can I say goodbye to you people, because you have become a part of my life, and that's how when you will be not around, I'll miss you. All of you are, as everybody has said, looking beautiful and handsome, and that's how joy comes to our life. Not to forget, King of Beauty is joy forever. Everyone is wonderful. Thank you. Wish you the very best and shine. Keep smiling always. Thank you. We'll be always there for you.
Now, it's nice to see you all together. And I know that you're hopefully very serious about your exams, because definitely you have already chosen your stream and you will be doing something in life. But one thing, remember children, don't carry a baggage of attitude. Leave that baggage. That attitude that you have developed, you just leave that. Have a positive attitude. Otherwise, if you carry a baggage with you, that will come in the way of your success. Remember to take things positively, because your seniors, your elders are there to guide you. Yes, may I have your attention? Elders are there to guide you. Because in life you'll find many people saying things you wouldn't like it. But just see the positive angle of it. I'm sure you will see something good about it. Your parents also want, your teachers also want, and that's what I want from you. That you become successful, and as Utsav sir said, that you should be good individuals. That is more important. Your values, don't forget that. Because you might be very educated, you might become engineers and whatnot. But if you are not good at individual, nobody is going to look up at you. That is very important, children. That you are going to become ideals, and you should see that others follow you. And that is more important. Best of luck to every one of you. I hope you do well, very well, and keep the flag of the school very, very high, so that we are always remembering you. Yes, that is the person. Wherever we meet you, wherever, we'll say, yes, this is the student. I'll always remember, even if they are the naughty ones. Best of luck.
Break a leg. I have literally broken my leg today, so I can't walk any further. Good morning, all the beautiful people here. Beautiful girls and beautiful boys. Oh, should I say handsome? Sorry. Okay. Now, last day of school. Literally, you are going for your board exams. I won't talk much about studies. I am sure that has been a part of your life. See, in your honor, the bottle has also decided to explode. Studies, I'm sure, are going on. I would like to assume studies are going on, so let's not go there or dwell with the matter of studies. I'm sure you all will come out with flying colors. Rather, I would say that now is the time when your real education is going to start. You've done your 14 years of school. You may have learned something, I think. Something probably you'll remember after 15 or 20 years. You won't remember it now after you go out. But your real education starts now after your 12th. Because you are almost going to be 18 in a couple of months. The country trusts you to even cast a vote right now to elect a government. So you all are semi-adults, responsible. If the country can trust you to vote, I think I can also trust you to take the right decisions. So your education starts now. You will be responsible to make a lot of decisions on your own. Your parents won't be there to guide you most of the time. You will all be going away from home, staying in hostels in different cities. So you're going to take some very good decisions in life and some very rotten ones. I can assure you that much out of experience. So doesn't matter. The rotten ones will teach you how to not make a rotten decision again, and the good ones will propel you forward. Okay, so it's the good and the bad that make a person, and you will have to go through your shares of ups and downs, laughter, joy and tears to actually become the person you want to be. So, but for me, your education starts now, because if you choose to, you can really educate yourself now, not through your books. Knowledge is free. I have said this today and I will maintain it for the rest of my life. Nobody can ever stop you from gathering knowledge. It is free for you to take it, and I think you should give your full heart and soul. I have a lot of respect and admiration for those people who are well-informed, well-versed, who can hold a conversation with anybody about any topic, whether it be politics, economics, commerce, science, movies, art, music, doesn't matter. You should be a person who can stand up and speak about anything. That you will achieve only if you gather knowledge. So please, don't let the quest for knowledge die for you. Education will continue, formal education will continue for the next 4 to 5 years for you. It will end one day. So when it ends, do you want to be a textbook, or do you want a person who can speak his or her own mind? I would go that you all become people who have a voice, who have an opinion. Doesn't matter whether we agree with that opinion, but you should have an opinion. Don't be cows and sheep and lamb that follow the pack. Be an individual, grow your individuality. That's what I believe you will, that's what I'll be very proud of if I meet you. And whether you are a lawyer, doctor, scientist, activist, NGO worker, doesn't matter. It's your choice. Have an opinion, have a voice, have a mind, most importantly. God has bestowed you with a brain. Use it, and use it well, and use it properly. You all will do very well. All my best to you for your exams and for the rest of your life. You're part of this family. Stay connected, stay in touch, and we would love to have you back, to hear from you, to meet you whenever it is possible. So all the best to you all. God bless you, and have a good day today. Thank you.